Hello. You like cooking? Then let's make kebab in home. It's simple, easy, but so good result because you making your own, you know. You need some vegetables and special meat. I buy in shop this meat. I show you. Then we need to blend this one. Mixer. It's good too. Makita drill. We need that sour cream, please. Somebody add sour cream. Mayo and garlic. And sour cream now. Main ingredient, this sauce in kebab. Okay. I think need water too. It's too thin. A little bit water there. Okay, looks good. Not fast, because we don't spray around everywhere. Plastic. You need kebab meat. Kebab meat we cover with this one. Big foil because it's be drying up. Then you need juicy one. I buy in shop special kebab meat. Slices. And this inside kebab meat. Yeah. No, that's kebab meat is ready to cook. Oh, how it smells! Naan bread we warm it up too. Always mostly we use garlic naan bread, but today we use this one. And this one, oh, delicious one. Now you start to eat. One portion is prepared. We like it garlic, no, chili, and sweet another chili and another chili. Tomatoes, cucumber, oh, some don't use pepper, Romero pepper, yeah. And that's homegrown onion. It makes you cry. Like this. And probably again sauce, I guess. And mayo. That's main ingredient. Of course, chili, sauce, sweet chili, no, and mayo. My goodness, that's the main ingredient. Mayo is main ingredient. Nice dish. Enjoy. Oh, time to make for Leila. Leila.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
Nana bread and kebab meat. Kebab! Mayo.
Garlic mayo.
We use
Garlic sauce.
We use homegrown garlic. If you buy shop garlic, you need more garlic. We use only half.
Come close.
Of course, we use spicy. That we use chili sauce. Ooh, I want to eat sweet chili.
No, I don't want sweet chili with this. Somewhere else maybe. Yeah, not here.
We share. That's for me. Romero or sweet pepper. I like it. It makes cucumber. Ooh, fresh. All veggies are chopped in similar pieces. No, not big. Tomato is a little bit bigger, but another one is a bit better. It's better feeling when it's similar pieces. And onion, that's main ingredient too. With onions.
Onions from our garden.
Yes, it's from our garden. My still empty. Oh, lettuce.
This time iceberg lettuce.
I don't know.
Chinese lettuce.
Chinese
would work
is
as
better,
well.
but I don't know why Leila buys
Some people
this
serve with cabbage as well. That whatever you prefer,
one. I
or
guess
whatever is in
mayo
shop.
again.
Mayo again. Garlic sauce again. Delicious.
Okay. Delicious. Now it's my turn. I like naan bread chopped in pieces too. I like it, just more handy to eat. I like chopped kebab meat too. Kind of similar pieces. Now need to add it. This ones. Buenas appetitas. Ah, delicious, isn't it? Homemade kebab. Easy and tasty. That's my dish. Yo.
Big one.
Big one.